This stunning home in the heart of 5 Points was completely renovated and a second story added on just 3.5 years ago. Filled with natural light and designer touches, with the much coveted open concept floor plan and master bedroom on the main, which includes a spa-like master bath retreat, this house is sure to please. The kitchen boasts high-end appliances. Look at the size of that fridge, a large island, and ample pantry space. Upstairs are 3 bedrooms with generously sized closets, an office that could easily be made into a bedroom by turning attic space into a closet, a common area that currently serves as a family room, and 2 gorgeous bathrooms. There is space for washer/dryer both on the main floor and upstairs, and a surprising amount of storage throughout the home. All this in addition to the thoughtful attention to design details, a 2-car detached garage, a very manageable to maintain yard, and close proximity to 5 Points make this a must-see.